This is Code.org. I'm working on CS Principles. I'm on Unit 3, Intro to Programming, Lesson 5, Creating Functions, Part 10. Do this. We're finally ready to make our diamond. Define a function named function draw diamond that calls pause. If you have not done Part 9 of this lesson and Part 8, you have no idea what you're doing here, and it's not going to work. So go back to Part 8, do Part 8, then Part 9, and then come back to this. Otherwise, this is going to go poorly for you. If you're super stuck, check out my tutorials on that. Alright, let's see what we're doing. Define a function named function draw diamond that calls draw side multiple times in order to complete the drawing. Your final solution should be triggered by a single call to draw diamond. Alright, so let's decode this sum. Define means create. We are creating a function. Creating a function just means this thing, where we use this block that says function, we slap a name in here, and we put some stuff into it so that the function will do that when we ask the computer to run the function. How do we ask the computer to run a function? That's the call, right? So this is a function call. It is what's saying, hey computer, look for anything called draw side. Oh, it's right there, and do that. So the computer says, okay, I'm going to run all of this code in between this bracket and this bracket. So I'm going to draw a step. Oh wait, what's draw a step? Well, is there a function? Oh, yep, okay. So then I'm going to put the pen down. I'm going to move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. Is there a turn right? Oh, yep, which means turn left, turn left, turn left. Okay, now I'm going to do that again. Draw a step. Oh, okay, is there a function called? And these are the function calls. This is the power of functions, because instead of writing out all of this code, which would take forever, right? We would have to write out all of that code 1, 2, 3 times, and then write however many times we're actually going to run it as we draw the diamond. That's the power of functions, is how versatile they are and how easy they are to call up when needed. Multiple times. Okay, so in the end, you will have the 4 functions defined. Draw diamond, draw side, draw step, and draw right. So we got draw side, draw step, and draw right. Let's go ahead and go over here to functions, drag it over, drop it in here. I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to put a space in between just to kind of show that they are separate chunks of code. You do not need to do that. Just kind of doing that to make it easier to read. Okay, and then inside our draw, so it wants us to draw side multiple times. It's not going to work how... Alright, so let's see what happens. We're going to do a bit of debugging. I grabbed this function call, and what I want it to do is draw side. Alright? And now I'm going to hit run to see if this will draw a side. Actually, I'm going to put one more draw side. And so let's hit run so it will draw 2 sides. Hint, it's not going to work. Oh, I'm going to speed this up a bit. It doesn't work because we never called the function. We only called draw side, so it's calling this. We need to call this function, which we didn't even name. So we should name it draw diamond as the instruction states. And remember, spelling and caps matter. So now up here, I'm going to write draw diamond. And if I didn't capitalize diamond right here, it wouldn't know what to do. The computer doesn't see them as the same thing. Oh, great. So far, so good. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we draw these other 2 sides. And then one more time, we're going to call up that function. And let's see what happens. Excellent. Something I know we should do is I'm going to go back to Turtle, and I'm going to use my pen down here. Okay? So if you were struggling with this, you might have had, like I did originally, pen, did I say pen down? Pen up. You might have had pen up at the end of your original draw step function, and that's not what you want to do. You want to leave that out and put it here. Okay? And I'm actually going to pull this. Do I want to do that? Yeah, I'm going to pull it out there. We don't need to put the pin down every time we go to draw a step. We can put it down at the beginning of this function and then at the end to draw the whole diamond. So, should be triggered by a single call. It is. Okay. I think we got it. I'm going to test this out one more time. Let's speed it up a bit. And victory, we have it. So the code that worked for me in the end, and again, this isn't going to make sense unless you had done part 8 and part 9. But there we are. I'm going to kind of clump it together so we can see more of it at once. Then draw right's hidden down here. Okay, great. This is slowly getting tougher, but we're doing well. Let's keep going.